guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's really bad lighting. Probably going to be changing lightings and stuff like that. Today I'm going to be showing you my slime, my other slime. And yeah, this slime. And yeah, let's get started. I'm going to be like playing with it on this book. So yeah. I'm really bad at filming, guys. So yeah. Yes, I'm really bad at filming slime. It's really nice. The camera falls then. Yeah, I'm sorry if the camera falls. You can get it all out, but it doesn't take a while. I mean, it doesn't take a while, but it just comes out. It comes out when it wants to. There. It looks like a different color, but it's like a nice purple. It's probably because of the lighting. The lighting is so bad. Now, you're the best in the world. Okay, I'm so sorry, guys. I'm really bad at singing, and I don't even have to get song. I only know that part. I don't know if you want me to do a singing video because yeah, I sing really bad as well. So yeah, this is probably only going to be a short video because this is so unsatisfying. But yeah, put it back in the container. It looks brown, but it's actually purple. It's purple. You can see it's purple, but it's brown. So you see, it's purple. The lighting keeps on changing for some reason. I look like I have makeup on, but I don't. I don't think I do. I kind of do. Looks like I've got mascara on, but I don't. And it looks like I've got lipstick on. So yeah, that was all for this video. I had to post somehow, so I just decided to post me playing with the slime. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, and smash that subscribe button to be part of the Unicorn Squad. What am I doing? Unicorn Squad. Every time you like one of my videos, your unicorn horn grows, and everyone likes unicorn horn growing, so you better subscribe, guys. I'm so weird. You don't have to if you don't want it, but I would really appreciate it if you did. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Goodbye!